Last, but a very important part, this is probably more related to the products that have already found their fit, that are already working and they want to scale. So there's one of the very few disadvantages of no-code that I have to mention, is when let's say you're working with a traditional development framework, like, I don't know, JavaScript, whatever it is. If you want to scale your team, if you want to move a lot faster, then in a lot of cases, not always, but in a lot of cases, all you need to do is hire more people. And it's pretty easy to find a JavaScript developer, let's say, okay, maybe not so easy, but much easier, let's say, than, let's say, hire a no-code developer, because the development world is huge and enormous, and there's always not enough software developers, but there's still a lot. I'm sure that there are some in this room right now that are maybe open for work. But for no-code, the market is growing super fast, but in comparison to the overall development market and the overall resources, the people with no-code experience are scarce. So if your scaling strategy includes hiring a team quickly, this will probably fail, because there's just not enough people in the market that are proficient in no-codes. For example, we in Moldova are always hiring people from zero. So we always are teaching them for the first 1, 2, 3 months exactly what they need to know and how they need to work, specifically with the tools, because we don't expect to find anyone that knows anything about this. Sometimes we're lucky and we actually find people with some experience, but most of the times it's just about validating that the person has interest and then teach them everything. So probably in your no-code journey, you will have the same issue. So plan to grow. And in all the companies, actually, regardless of what the stack is being used, it's always better to have someone that has grown in the company, that understands the company vision, understands the company tools, methodologies, and framework to then step up and take the lead and then scale from there. So with no code, this is probably the only opportunity that has to be in the plan from the very beginning.